Hello everyone, welcome back to LT Education. So today I am covering what is a support project and what kind of activities are done by the functional consultant. So what is a support project is basically you will get an existing system of SAP HR in which you have to provide the support to the customer if they encounter any issue in the existing functionality or they want us to update the existing functionality of the system. And in support project, basically customers raise the tickets in the form of incident or request by using the ticketing tools like SAP Solution Manager, ServiceNow, Jira, etc. So what is an incident here? Incident is basically if someone is using the system and they are getting some access issue or kind of any kind of error due to which they are not able to do their work. So in that case, the customer generally raise the incident. Request is basically if the client or the customer request for a new service or a new access or if they want some change in the system which is not existing earlier. In that case, they may go for raising a request. And these requests or the incident can be directly raised by the users or they can call the help desk or they can reach out to help desk through a chat or they can call the help desk and ask them to create a ticket for them. And the what kind of activities which are done by the function consultants are basically they have to handle the incident, tickets, change request, and they have to make sure they provide the solution to the user within the SLA timeline. And if somehow the user, the function concerned is unable to resolve the ticket within the SLA, then they may have to the uh, company which is providing the support to the client may have to face some penalty. So in that case, they have to make sure they provide the solution or analysis of the issue within a certain time limit. Apart from that, the FC, the function consultant, have to monitor the batch jobs which are running daily, monthly, or weekly, which is basically used to uh, run some custom program or the standard program which send the data or the report to the users. And if the batch job is failing, then they have to, if the batch job is failing, then the consultant have to analyze that why that job is getting failed. Is there any error or due to some issue the job has failed? Apart from that, there are some general notes which are every year SAP introduce and those notes have to be applied in the system. They may be specific to the modules, SAP HR modules like OM, person administrator, time management, payroll, or basically specific to the country. They have to apply these notes, analyze these notes, and they have to check whether these notes are relevant to their system or not. And their various year-end activities are done based on the country, and those year-end activities are needs to be done by the consultant. And they have to regularly check the system or test the system. If there is any new patch is getting applied in the system, then they have to check whether the existing functionalities are working correctly or not. And if due to the applying of the no patch, is there any impact which has disturbed any existing functionality, then they have to test it. And if it is there, then they have to either apply the fix for that issue or they have to revert the patch which because of which this error has come. And also there are some custom programs or reports which are needed by business. So in that case, they have to work with the developer and they have to develop that custom program or report. So these kind of activities are generally done by the function consultant. and they are here are some examples of incidents which are raised in the SAP HR, and kind of there are certain type of requests which are raised in SAP HR. These are the few examples. If we go for the examples of incidents, you can see there is one example when the employee is trying to access his payslip, but he is not able to see his payslip. Either he may be getting error, or he's only getting some notepad or the PDF file which does not contain any data. So this can be one of the incident, and sometimes the user is trying to access the employee self service, and they want to see or access anything like to see their payslip or to update their timesheet, or these kind of activities if they want to do and they are not able to access the ESS, then in that case they can go for raising a incident. Sometimes the users are unable to see their team members who are reporting to them. Sometimes they are not able to see their timesheet data. Sometimes the employee is reflecting under the wrong manager. So these are just few examples of the incidents, and the examples of requests like the customer wants a new waste type to be created. So in that case, they may go for raising a request, or they want some new organization unit needs to be created in the system, or there is some HR custom report which they are using, and they want a new field to be added. For example, the personal area field they want to be added in the custom report, or they want to see the planned working hour of the employee. So these kind of fields, these are just examples, some kind of field they want to add in the custom report. Uh, there is one report they want us to create in which they want to see like whether like see the employees who are currently reporting or sitting in the personal area ZYSA example, or they want a new work schedule to be created for the employees. So in that case, they may these the requests are raised by the users or the employees. Thank you. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Bye.